This video is on how to work exponents. Okay, so first, before we even begin, let me show you the parts of an exponent. I'm writing 5 to the third power. This is one way of saying it. 5 raised to the third power. The 5, whatever this power, I'm going to call it a power. The proper name for the power is exponent. So whatever the power is sitting on is called the base. So this is the base, and then we have the power or the exponent sitting on top of it. So I just wanted to show you parts of the number. So you can call this 5 raised to the third power. 5 raised to the third power. This little 3 is raised up here. Okay, so here are the steps on how to work 5 to the third power, or 3 to the second power, or 2 to the fourth power. Step 1, take the base and write it down the number of times the exponent indicates. So I'm going to do this first one. The base is 3. I'm going to write it down the number of times the exponent indicates. The exponent indicates 2. There's a 2 right there. So I'm going to take the base and write it down 2 times. That's step 1. Step 2 is multiply them. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 to the second power equals 9. 2 to the fourth power. Step 1, take the base and write it down the number of times the exponent indicates. 2 to the fourth power. The base is 2. We're going to write it down the number of times the exponent says. The exponent says 4 times. Take 2, our base, and write it down 4 times. That's what it's telling us. Our power is 4, or our exponent is 4. Step 2 is just multiply these all together. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. 2 to the fourth equals 16. I've got a couple more to do. Okay, here we have 1 to the 7th power. Take the base and write it down 7 times. And the number the power indicates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base is 1. I'm going to write it down 7 times. And then I'm going to multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, 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 times 1. So I have 7 ones, multiply them all together, and I get 1. 1 to the 7th power is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 5 to the third power. Take the base, 5, and write it down 3 times. Then multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 5 to the third power is 125. 6 to the 1 power. Take the base 6 and write it down 1 time and multiply it. Well, there's nothing there, so 6 to the 1 power is just 6. We only have one of them. 6 to the 1 power is just 6. These were the steps on how to work an exponent out. You take the base, you write it down the number of times the power indicates. 3, the power indicates 2, so I write it down twice. Step 2 is you multiply. That's all you do. 2 to the fourth power. Take 2, write it down 4 times, multiply, and you get 16. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.